Are you someone who values privacy while using Messenger? If so, you might have wondered how to discreetly navigate the platform without broadcasting your online status to everyone. Hi, I'm Jenny from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I'll unveil the simple steps to hide your active friends on Messenger. Let's dive in. First, open up Messenger app. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Go to the settings. Click on the active status. Now click onto the sliding button of the show when active together. Now your active status is hidden. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.